Welcome back. Another week, another video. Today's video, so simple. Even a kid can do it. What we're doing is pizza crackers. First thing we want to do is preheat that oven to 400 degrees. Hit that subscribe button and let's get started here on Cook. Don't be lazy. Baking sheet. Line it up with aluminum foil. Very important. Use some sort of cooking spray and do a little coating on that aluminum foil. Take your Ritz crackers or crackers, doesn't have to be any particular brand. Place it on your baking sheet. Pizza sauce. I purposely got the kind in a bottle because if we're going to bring kids into this, you don't want them to make a mess pulling pizza sauce out of a jar. So if you can find one out of a bottle, go for the bottle. Otherwise, take a jar, empty it out, put it into one of those squeezable containers. Do I have one handy? I don't see one. One of these little cheapies you can find at the dollar store. You can find like a 2-pack for $1. Put your pizza sauce in one of those containers and then they can squirt out of those. So a small dollop of pizza sauce. Pepperoni is the next ingredient. So this is a good way to introduce the young ones into the kitchen. Teach them a little bit about safety, get them excited about food, and at the end of it, a nice little snack that they're sure to enjoy, because who doesn't like pizza? And then for them to know they made it themselves, woo, they're gonna be like, versus, and that's what we want at the end of the day. Take some sharp and mozzarella cheese. Now the reason the cooking spray comes into play is because there's a high likelihood you're gonna do something like that where part of the cheese is on part of the cracker, part on the tray. Now what's gonna happen is once that cheese melts, you're essentially super gluing those together. So do not forget the cooking spray. Very important. Don't blame me later if you forget the cooking spray and your little pizzas are all stuck to the tray. Because I warned you. Alright, a little bit of that mozzarella and we're just about done. Last but not least, some oregano. Just do a little pinch of oregano across the top. And let's get this in the oven. So we're gonna let this bake for about 5 to 6, maybe 7 minutes. All we want is for that cheese to melt. After that, that's it. That's how simple it was. Time to plate up. Pizza crackers, and just like that simple, you can teach the young ones how to be responsible in the kitchen. I'm gonna chow down on this, so I'll see you guys next week here on Cook. Don't be lazy.